Hello, welcome back to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in Java problem solving series we are going to discuss about how to check the equality of two arrays in Java. For example, we have two array, that is int of array 1 25174. Like this, second array have same elements. Then how we will check the equalities of two arrays in Java? There are different ways to check the equality. The first way is like iterative method. And in iterative method, first we will check the length of two given arrays. If the length of both arrays is same, then we compare corresponding pairs of elements one by one. If all corresponding pairs of elements are equal, then given arrays will be considered as equal. But this method will be time consuming if the arrays have lots of elements. And this method is not recommended to check the equality of two arrays if the arrays are big in size. But in interview may ask you to compare two arrays without using inbuilt functions. So in that time, this method may help you. That is iterative method. Okay, let's begin to write the code. First we will use iterative method. Okay, first I will create one class, new class, equality of arrays, and inside this class I will declare one main method, and inside main method I will declare two array, that is array 1 and array 2. Array 1 will contain 1 4 8 2, and array 2 will contain some elements. So I will copy it and paste here, and it will be array 2. So first I will check the length of both arrays. If the length of both arrays same, then we will compare one by one each element. Length is equal to array 2 dot length, else the result will be false. Boolean, here I will need to define one boolean variable, is equal if both array have different length, then is equals value will be false, means these are not equal. And if the length of both arrays are same, then we will start to iterate. Here for loop will be start, int I will be start from 0 and up to I less than. Both array have same length, so we can use any array. Array 1 dot length, and it will be incremented one by one. And here we will check if both arrays have array 1 index of I is equal to array of 2 index of I. If both are not equal, then its value will be false. Is equals, value will be false. Now here After completing each iteration, here I will print if is equals, then it will print the statement both arrays are equal. Else and else arrays are not equal. Now I will run this application. Alt Shift X J and launching check equality of arrays. Both arrays are equal. If I will change here one element, we'll use 7 and we'll run again this application. Here you can see the output, both arrays are not equal, and this is the iterative method to check the equality of two arrays. And there is another approach that is used to check the equality of two arrays, that is its inbuilt method, arrays equals method, because sometimes array's length will be more and it contains 1000 elements in one array and 1000 elements in second array. Then it will take more time to iterate one by one, so it is more time consuming process. So we can use arrays inbuilt method to check the equalities of array. So here I will comment this, and here just need to print arrays dot equals method equals method, and here I will pass both the arrays, array of 1 and array of 2. Now I will run this application, and here we will see the output, that is false, means both arrays are different. If I will change the value here, then it will return true, means both arrays have same value. That's true. But if you want to compare two arrays which have same number of elements and same set of elements but in different orders, like 2 is here and 8 is here, both arrays have same element but in different orders, then first we need to sort the both arrays. Then first we will do, we will use arrays dot sort function and will sort the array, arrays dot sort, and here I will pass array of 1. Like this we will sort array 2. Now if I will compare both arrays having different position but elements are same, then after sorting both have same position and it will return true. Here we can see the output, true. And there is one more approach to compare two arrays. Here we have only single dimensional array, so we can use arrays equals method. But if we have multi-dimensional array, and this is the multi-dimensional array, if we are checking multi-dimensional arrays for equality, then we need to use arrays class deep equals method, because equals method is not applicable here for deep cloning, and we will see here in the code. First here I will declare multi-dimensional array, and it is multi-dimensional array. Now here we need to use deep equals method. So here I will write arrays dot deep equals method is used for to check the equalities of multi-dimensional array. Now I will run. Here you will see the output. It's returning true, but if to compare multi-dimensional arrays, if I am using here equals method, then it will not work fine. It will return false. So to check the equality of multi-dimensional array, that is deep comparison, then we must need to use deep equals method, and for single dimensional array we need to use equals method. Okay, thanks for watching this video.